Hello, Godfrey Lee family. Hope you're having a good day. This is Mr. Lozano, and today we're going to focus on EdPuzzle intro. Some of you may have already used this app, EdPuzzle. If not, we're going to go over it today, okay? EdPuzzle intro on 7th grade math. First things first, go ahead and tell me, what is your name? What is your name? You're going to go ahead and type that, first name and last name. Don't forget to capitalize the first letter of your first name and last name. What is your name? Okay, the next question is, what hour do you have math with Lozano? What hour do you have math with Lozano? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth? Awesome. Go ahead and answer this. 7 times 8. What is it? What is 7 times 8? Beautiful. 4 times 9. What is 4 times 9? Awesome. Now, this is an interesting one. What number times 6 equals 48? What is that missing number? What number times 5 equals 30? Go ahead and tell me what that missing number is. What number 9 times this missing number equals 81? What is that missing number? The next question is PEMDAS. PEMDAS. What is that? Have you heard of it? Tell me what you know about PEMDAS. Tell me what you know about PEMDAS. Anything and everything. What do you know about PEMDAS? Well, just in case if you need a little refresher, the P in PEMDAS stands for parentheses. Parentheses. Hopefully I spelled that correctly. What do parentheses look like? Well, they're these. These are parentheses. Okay, parentheses. You may see things like this, maybe 3x plus 4, and that'll be in a parenthesis. Maybe you'll see something like this, 5 times 8 plus 3, and you'll see this in parentheses. Parentheses is what you'll do first. You do parentheses first. E represents exponents. Exponents. Exponents or powers is what we call them. Exponents or powers. It looks something like this. Maybe you have 5 to the third power. And all that means is 5 times 5 times 5. 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Maybe you'll see something like this. 7 to the fourth power. That'll be 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. 4 times. 4 times. M represents multiplication. Multiplication. Oh, multiplication like that. Now that can be in different ways. There's different ways to show multiplication. It can look like this. Okay, times, of course. Now in 7th grade, you'll see the times quite often, but you'll also see when two things are smushed together, such as A times B. A times B. When two things are smushed together, we call it multiplication. You may also see what we call a dot, such as A times B. All right, a dot. That's also multiplication. D represents division. 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 You'll see it be represented like this, or in most cases, like a fraction bar. A fraction bar. That is the division right there. Or sometimes slanted like that. Division like that. A represents addition. Addition. And that's just plus like that. Addition. And S, ladies and gentlemen, is subtraction. Subtraction. Oops. There we go. Subtraction. That's just a simple minus sign like that. Okay? Subtraction. So let's try this one. What is 5 times 4 plus 7? Well, let's think about this. Remember PEMDAS. PEMDAS. Now, I like to think about it this way. We're going to group these together and group these together because here, when you look at this multiplication division, you want to do whatever comes first when it comes to multiplication division. What reading it from left to right, whatever comes first, okay? So let's look at this right here. We have 5 times 4 plus 7. 5 times 4 plus 7. What you're going to do is you're going to take this 5 times 4 first, because remember, multiplication comes first before addition. Well, that's 20. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus this 7 here, well, 20 plus 7 is 27. 27. Okay. Now here we have 3 plus 6 times 8. Again, thinking about PEMDAS. What comes first, addition or multiplication? Addition or multiplication? Hopefully you said multiplication. So we're going to multiply this first. 6 times 8, that is 48. And then we're going to add this 3 to it. 48 plus 3 is 51. Go ahead and try this one on your own. Hopefully you said 9 times 6, which is 54, plus 2, that's 56. Go ahead and try this one on your own. Hopefully you said 5 times 5, which is 25, plus 7, that's 32. Try this one on your own. Hopefully you said 10 times 9, which is 90, plus 8, that's 98. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the last thing you're going to do today is you're going to tell me, were you pretty confident with today's lesson? Did you understand the lesson pretty well? Were you B, there's a few things that you understood, and there's a few questions that you have, maybe you need more practice. Or were you C, like, whoa, what did we just do right now? I am super confused. Go ahead and tell me A, B, or C. When you're done, make sure that you go back to our Zoom meeting today. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.